Preston Walls takes the stand. He is the convicted killer in the January shooting. It starts right here in Des Moines.
He testified today defending his accused getaway driver, Brayvon Tukes, who is now on trial facing 2 counts of first-degree murder. KCCI's Bo Bowman is live outside the Polk County Courthouse to break down what he said. Bo?
Well, Ben, the defense's main strategy in bringing Walls into the courtroom today was to convince the jury that there was never a plan conceived to kill Rashad Carr and Gianni Dameron. That starts right here. Now, since Walls was convicted about a month ago in the killings, there were several safety precautions put into place in the courtroom and some guidelines that restricted what Walls could and couldn't say in front of the jury. Walls was brought in wearing street clothes instead of his prison uniform before the jury got into the room, and 2 sheriff deputies sat behind him the whole time he testified. No one in the courtroom was allowed to talk about his conviction on second-degree murder and voluntary manslaughter, and Walls would not be allowed to say he feared for his life when he shot Carr and Dameron, or that he acted in self-defense. Now, Walls broke that rule on cross-examination, and it was later stricken from the record. The jury was told not to disregard that comment. The defense team asked him if he ever created a plan with Brayvon Tukes, and the prosecution asked him, what about their meetup at Mullet's after the shooting?
Did you plan that shooting with Brayvon Tukes?
No.
Then you cross back over the river and you go to Mullet's, correct?
Yeah.
And the defendant there is waiting for you in his car to pick you up.
Yeah.
You jump in his car, he drives you away, right?
Right.
Now, after Walls was excused from the witness stand, the defense rested their case, so tomorrow we'll hear closing arguments, and then the jury will head into the deliberation room. But for now, we're live in Des Moines. Bo Bowman, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.